bought 2 blankets. That's Manse's. I need to try on him now. And then Fugge's, I also need to try on Fugge now. Then I bought 2 halters with this on. They're gonna get on. They're gonna put it on them in the pasture when the weather is really bad. So if anything happens, my number is on here. I'm gonna write my phone number. Så ikke så hurtigt. Ho 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 ho. Manse, kom. Kom. Ja. Kom. Manse. Ja, kom. Du holder bare ikke. Gør du ikke. Nej, det gør du ikke. Ej, det er fint. Nå, det var godt, skat. So I just arrived and they are eating at their hay station. They did get blankets on now, which is very nice because then they don't get as dirty. It's a lot easier to keep them clean. Fugge has blue and Manse has green. Hi Fugge! I wanted high neck, but I couldn't get any blankets that fit them with high neck, so I bought these for now, and then I'm going to try and find some with high neck that does fit them. Leaves are turning yellow. They are so pretty. Very pretty. And berries. Ooh. So hi Fugge! Cute. They have halters on in the pasture now, which they usually don't, but because it's winter now, I did buy 2 reflex halters for them, and then I wrote my number on there, so if something were to happen, people can easily get a hold of them, and there's my number on there too, so they can call me. Hi Fugge! I'm gonna try not to film the number. I don't want my number on there, on the video. No! Hello! Dejligt skat. No. Koda? Whatever. Yes. Okay. Fugge on. Woo. Hello.